In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a newspaper magazine blog website, WordPress AdSense. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional layout ready to publish articles and a simple way to monetize with ads. First, open your WordPress website and head to the dashboard. This is your site's control center. From here, you'll manage how everything looks and where content appears. Make sure you're on the admin side so you can access the design tools. Next, click Themes. You'll find this under the Appearance section in the left-hand menu. Themes control the overall style and structure of your site. Look for a blog, newspaper, or magazine template that matches the tone you want. Many themes include built-in layouts for headlines, featured images, and category blocks, which are perfect for news-style content. When you find one you like, click it to open the details, then click Activate. Activation instantly applies the design to your site, and you can change it again later if needed. Now, customize the template to shape it into a professional newspaper blog layout. Open the customization panel and adjust your site identity, including the title and tagline, so readers understand your focus at a glance. Tweak colors and fonts for readability, keeping headlines bold and body text easy to scan. Set up your header layout with a clear logo or site title and a simple navigation menu that points to key categories. Configure your homepage to show featured posts, recent stories, and category sections. Use your theme's widget areas to add elements like a search bar, recent posts, or a trending section. The goal is a hierarchy that guides readers from top stories to detailed articles without clutter. Preview as you go and make sure it looks great on mobile, since many readers will visit on phones. When your layout feels right, integrate Google AdSense for monetization. Take your AdSense code and place it in your theme's widget areas or directly inside posts and pages. For widget placement, go to Appearance, then Widgets, and add a custom HTML widget to the sidebar, header, or footer. Paste the AdSense snippet there to display ads where they'll be seen without disrupting reading. You can also embed ad code within articles for in-content placements. Use responsive ad units so ads adjust to different screen sizes and avoid overloading the page, which can hurt the user experience and performance. Always follow AdSense policies and never interact with your own ads. Save your changes, publish, and review your site live. With the theme activated, the template customized, and AdSense integrated, your newspaper magazine blog is ready to inform and earn.